Okay, let's move the bed. Hey guys, this is the first episode of Home Improvements with Inanna, and today we're doing flooring.
Yeah.
I'm just doing an intro for the video. Hey guys, today's the first episode of Home Improvements with Inanna, and today we're doing flooring. Okay, hey guys, it's me again. The floors we're gonna do are in 3 bedrooms. They've already started clearly here. I kind of wanted to show you guys the before carpet, but so this is the studio that I'm gonna create. It's gonna be like a music slash editing kind of place. And this is exciting because there's floors already on there. So that means it's already pretty much leveled. It's gonna be a lot easier to put on. Except for this, I don't know what that is. I wonder how they're gonna do that. So this is the guest bedroom. The carpet's still on here, so they still have to rip it off and everything. And then this is the master bedroom. These are the guys. Do you want to introduce yourself? It's for my Instagram. No, never mind.
Sorry.
They have to take off all these floors. All this carpet. I have to start helping them move some stuff because there's stuff everywhere. So, let's grab a bag. Can I just leave them on the shelf and we carry the shelf out?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. See, that's easy. Got a lot of shoes. On one of these other episodes, I'm gonna be definitely building this into like a bigger closet and a shoe closet because I just have way too many shoes. Can I just like do this and just get it all at once? I feel like this is gonna be a fail. I'm gonna drop half the shit. Oh, that's fun. You made it look easier. Alright, so we're taking out the wood of the... What is this thing called? We're taking out the carpet grip. See? I'm a contractor too. I think I got this again.
Thank you.
My work here is done. Oh man, that's harder than it looks. Maybe I should just get everyone coffee and food. Do you want coffee?
No, thank you.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Okay. We'll still get them somehow. I feel like I'm like useless right now. Oh, maybe I'll help them. Let's move the bed. I got it. Points. Got it. Oh. Ah. How do you take this thing apart? Oh, a charger. Is this mine? Did you guys find this in here? Just find random stuff. This is my eyeliner. I was looking for that. Oh, that's how it's done. I'll hold this. Where should we put this? Holy crap, you're strong. Should I try that? How did he do it? Let's go. Well, this is not gonna fit through the door. I think I have to take it apart. I'm just gonna. I feel like they have it taken care of. They have a system going on and they don't really need me. No one's just not even. Oh, that's how you do that. I was trying to figure it out. Got it. Cool. They just don't talk to me at all. Honestly, guys, if you need flooring installed, hire these guys. They're like in and out. Apparently, they're gonna get all 3 rooms done today, which is crazy. You know. Okay. And just like that, the room is clear. So much room for activities. You can just like. Can I try that? Can I try that? I'll just move it. I'm just gonna. You made it look easy. You just went like this. I got it. Holy crap. Move it down. Got the carpet out. Holy shit, this is hard work. All right, I'm gonna go get coffee and food. You guys want? What do you guys want? I'll BRB. Look how fast he does it. I'm gonna get coffee. These guys clearly don't need my help. Where are my car keys? I should have properly prepared before they moved all my stuff, because now I can't find shit. I got the car key. This is all that's left of it. I'm coming in. All right, I'm gonna be right back. If anyone cares. The right key is not starting. Ugh. Hey, where's the car key? Babe. Oh wow, so many toys. Wow, are you guys actually donating those toys or are you pocketing them?
I'm gonna actually give them away to my niece and nephew.
Found it! I found the key. I gotta get a jacket. Oh man, this is so warm. Oh, did anyone miss me? No answers still. So I just realized that I want a transition strip. So see how there's like a hole here? This door's always open, so I don't like having any type of visible hole. I have a Pinterest board of all my home stuff. There we go. That's the transition strip I like, but in silver. So,
Yes.
okay, perfect.
Okay, so there's two things. We could put the grout line, those for the tile areas,
Yeah.
and we can just cut your wood and have no transition. Make it completely flush.
Oh, how can you do that?
We're just gonna have to cut that wood. The other one?
Oh,
That works
okay. Yeah, I'm fine with that.
Okay.
So to save time, we're gonna run out and get the transition strip, but I need to make sure it's the right one. But we're on our way to Home Depot, and we're getting a transition strip because I want a specific, like, skinny, thin silver one that I saw on Pinterest, because I'm like a Pinterest freak. And for the marble to hardwood floor, because it just has a smoother touch. And then the other one, Lumber Liquidators already provided us with it, which is like the thicker kind of wood one, which is gonna work for the room to room, like wood to wood. But yeah, so stay tuned. Okay, we're at Home Depot, and we're gonna try and find those transition strips. I don't even know where I'm walking. I'm pretending like I know where I'm going right now. This looks like it's it. Transition to cover gap. I just don't really like this one. So I think I got them, but I don't know if he needs a T shape or L shape. I don't know if that makes a difference. Hey, I'm here and I got is the L shape okay instead of T? There's L shape and T shape, but the L shape has the color I want.
Oh, I'm sorry, I don't know what you're talking about.
Let me just send you a photo of it.
Okay.
And I only need 2 because they're like 9 feet. And there's,
Oh, okay. Yeah,
okay, let me send you a photo.
cover floor. Right, thank you.
Thanks, bye. Okay, well, he doesn't know either. I mean, I'm just gonna probably buy them, but I feel like these look fine. Should I just buy them anyway and just hope for the best? Okay, let's buy them. Just scratch the whole outside of my car. Okay, let's see. Oh! Wow, I'm a genius. Success. Let's go back home. Ooh, so this is the ugly old floor. So what's the, ew, what the hell? Why did it,
So
is
the
it
other
like that?
contractor didn't level the floor. So this is what they used to glue the tile down.
So now what do we have to do?
Your metal strips won't work because the floor's too high.
Oh, the ones I just went to Home Depot to get.
Yeah, it'll work on the other bathroom,
The
but
one.
not on this one. On this one, I suggested we replace the plywood here. Yeah, so the best
So
way
you
to
have
do
to
it,
take this out?
take this, all the way to the subfloor and put new plywood in.
This is like when you get flooring dudes that are just like lazy and don't properly do a good job and they just lay shit on top of. So we have to take not only that, we have to take this out too. This one too, right? This thick one?
Yeah, the plywood. Yeah, but we're gonna cut that out.
So this I just
Yeah,
stab
just
out.
Yeah.
Julio! There's nothing really else for me to do. Well, stay tuned. I'm gonna try cutting some of these plywoods because I used to take tech class and I think a straight line is pretty simple. I actually was really good in tech class. I made a Jesus out of wood for my parents and they still have it today. I'll try and send you guys a photo, but I think cutting a straight line is easy. Can I cut some of the pieces? I'm left-handed, so this sucks. So, do I go from front to back?
Mhm.
From here?
Yes.
I think I did a good job. Let's see if it fits. So the piece that I just cut is supposed to fit right here. And if I cut it right, then it fits. That means I did a good job. Look. There's no one to show. Babe, look. Babe. Babe. Look. I had my safety goggles on.
Put it in?
Yep.
How'd
I
you
know
put
how
it
to
in?
put floors in.
What'd you do?
You go boom, 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 and then you go boom, boom.
Well, how did you hit it though? Because the hammer doesn't.
I mean,
fit
I
in.
didn't. I just did that. But they're gonna.
Good job,
I
babe.
like these glasses.
Give me some.
I cut a straight line. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Ooh! Guys, this looks so much better. This compared to this work, like, look at the difference. Like, look how clean their corners are and how smooth. And then look at this janky work from the last people. Like, it's like night and day. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is gonna look so good. I'm gonna put new doors in too, so like those are like very old looking doors. But look at this flooring. I'm so excited. It's looking great. Guys, stay tuned. Ooh, this one's almost done too. Oh my gosh, they're taking out the safe right now. I don't know how they're gonna do that. Heavy as shit. It's looking good. Almost there. They actually are so quick that I think we're gonna get all 3 rooms done by today. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my first episode of Home Improvements with Inanna. Let me know what else you guys want to see. I'm super excited to keep doing this work. I can't wait for you guys to see the next episodes. I just want to say thanks again to Lumber Liquidators for the beautiful flooring. And yeah, I hope you guys stay tuned for more episodes. Bye! I'm gonna go cut some more wood. Where's the wood to cut?